Hello everybody, welcome back to the Battle Lounge, and today I'm just going to show you what we've been doing with the swamps, with the quad flockers. This is where we're at the moment. So Justin has come in and finished off all the little pathways. We had a couple of different coloured DAS, this hasn't been painted or anything. And what we thought would happen is there's no way that the DAS was going to stick to this. Some of them are stuck okay, like the big ones that are wedged in, like these ones, they've popped off, so which is fine. We were expecting that. There was no way it was gonna stick properly, because obviously DAS, it's air drying, and as the moisture evaporates it shrinks and then it pulls away from whatever you're putting it onto, and if it doesn't pull away it will crack. So, but again, that doesn't matter either. We're just getting that rough basic outline, and then we're going to use the good old mitre fast to fix it all down so that it doesn't move. And remember, these are going to be resined as well, so once these are all painted up, these just need to stay in place while we paint them. Once they're painted, then we'll be flooding them with resin, which will just lock everything in. So nice little quick one for today, guys. Hope you found that useful. Obviously like and subscribe, follow us, and you'll get to see this thing come to life. See you in the next one. Cheers guys, bye.